Good morning, one and all. This is Divyang, roll number 2095182115, here to present a AAT concept video on subject thermodynamics. I am from branch Aeronautical Engineering, section A. My topic is investigation and optimization of diesel engine outputs under biodiesel strategy. First, we need to understand what is the topic. Introduction. Today, automobile industries are focusing on global warming and saving non-renewable resources. Biodiesel is one of the best solutions for above mentioned problem. Since it is renewable, is one of the best solutions for above problems. Since it is renewable energy, produce less emission and is successfully implemented on systems of cars. What is biodiesel? Biodiesel and low emission, high lubricating alternative diesel fuel produced from veg oil or animal fats, non-toxic and biodegradable. It can be combined at any level with petroleum diesel to fuel engines. Biodiesel raw materials. We can manufacture biodiesel by raw materials like soybean, corn, canola, corn seeds, sunflower, beef tallow, used cooking oil, methanol, and ethanol. Some of the raw materials. But while creating it, we need catalysts like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. As these are all carbon compounds, we need to transferify or transferification is required in order to convert it into cetane, which is almost petrol type molecule. What is transferification? Transferification is a process of converting the fat oil into the certain chain oil like petrol and diesel variation. In this process, we find convert three-headed oils to hydrocarbon chains similar to petroleum diesel. Veg oil, which is soya oil, or three fatty acid chains attached to glycerol. Plus, when added with methanol, typical biodiesel methyl ester plus cetane, typical of petrol diesel, and byproduct glycerol or glycerine is obtained. Biodiesel blends. If you look at the image, B100, the lighter shaded part is biodiesel and pink part is petroleum diesel. Pink or the darker part. B100 equals to 100% biodiesel. B20, 20% biodiesel, 80% petroleum diesel. B10, 10% biodiesel, 90% petroleum diesel. B5 is the 5% biodiesel and 95% petroleum diesel. B2 is 2% biodiesel and 98% petroleum diesel. As we look at the graph, we find the following types of biodiesels which blend with petroleum diesel. Biodiesel attributes. The attributes in order to form a biodiesel or the requirements are high cetane number, which should be average over 50, high lubricity and even bends as low as 1 to 2%, high energy balance 32.2 to 1, low agriculture inputs, example soybean, so that agriculture should also be funded, 78% of life cycle CO2 reduction, renewable and sustainable, domestically produced, reduces HC hydrocarbons, PM and CO in existing diesel engines, reduces NOx in boilers and home heating. NOx is NOx. NOx means nitrogen and oxygen mixture. Advantages. Biodiesel is environmentally friendly. It can help reduce dependency on foreign oil. It helps to lubricate itself. It helps to lubricate the engine itself, decreasing engine wear. It offers similar power to diesel fuel. It is safer and convenient diesel. It can be made from waste products. It can be made at home easily. Now comes the disadvantages. We can't store biodiesel for a longer time as it affects the engine operation. It becomes gel in cold temperature, so it is not suggested for high heating places. It has more water content. It degrades rubber. It has higher 10% NOx emissions when compared to biodiesel. It decreases the horsepower of the car by 25%. Relative greenhouse gas emission. These are the emissions. First, when we look, this is the gasoline, which is almost 120 to 140. Then CNG and LPG, both the same 120. It comes to diesel and ethanol. which is 100, B20, which is 20% biodiesel and 80% petroleum diesel, is 85, diesel hybrid, which is 60, electric is almost near 40 to 60, and B100, which is only 20 to 30, which shows that the greenhouse emission by relative is very less. This is the emission or reduction in emission by biofuel as per their blending. If we look 0% biodiesel, which is diesel or petroleum projects, it is almost very high. When it comes to biodiesel, it is minus 70 in HC hydrocarbons, CO which is minus 50, and NOx is almost 10. We can find that NOx release is very high over here. Testing and performance. Effect of biodiesel on engine performance. Power performance. Contents of biodiesel B100. Power gets low, B20, due to low heating value. B0, 100%. Properties of biodiesel. Heating value is less, whereas power is also less. Viscosity is greater, power is less. Lubricity is greater, power is also greater. Durability performance. B100 is very less, it is reactive in nature. B20 is high, B0 is 100%. Economic performance. In order to compensate loss of heating value, more amount of biodiesel fuel consumption takes place. The difference in fuel consumption of diesel and pure BDE was 18.5% in mass and was reduced to 13.5% by volume because of higher density of BDE. Economic benefits. Biodiesel is least cost strategy to comply with state and federal regulations. Use of biodiesel does not require major engine modifications. The only thing that changes is air quality. The biodiesel has positive attributes such as increased cetane, high fuel lubricity, and high oxygen content. Environmental benefits. Biodiesel contains fewer aromatic hydrocarbons, benzofluorine 56% reduction, benzopropane 71% reduction. Biodiesel reduces emission of carbon, CO by approximately 15% and carbon dioxide by 78% on net life cycle basis. Biodiesel is biodegradable, non-toxic, posing no threat to human health. Biodiesel reduces by as much as 65% the emission of small particles of solid combustion products. Biodiesel has higher cetane rating than petrol diesel. As we find that there is very decrease in approximate pollution, which is 50% of CO and 78% of CO2 on a net life cycle basis, which is just net, which can be improved with temperature. Emissions. The use of biodiesel is conventional diesel engine results in sustained reduction of underburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and particularly matter compared to the emission of diesel fuels. The ozone, smog. Forming potential of hydrocarbons is less than diesel fuel. We don't find any smog as there is no emission or very less emission because the hydrocarbons burning is very slow. The sulfur emissions are essentially eliminated with pure biodiesel. The sulfur emissions light which occurs in petroleum are purely eliminated with usage of biodiesel. Biodiesel can also be used as it does not require major elements to be changed in a modern diesel engine, so we can sustainably use and go through to the strategy of biodiesel. Now, Indian government has started the new plan of using B6 engines or B5 engines, which are helpful to reduce the pollution in our day-to-day life. Thank you, Divya.